Have your stews and curries ready because you're making some ribbed garlic bread. Ingredients that you'll need is 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Make sure to mix everything all together, then make a well at the center of the flour, add warm water and a shot of vegetable oil. Manually start kneading with your hands until all the sides of the bowl is clean is when you transfer the dough onto a working station and start kneading it properly again until you get this round spongy dough is when you transfer it to an oil bowl and cover it to bloom. 1.5 hours later, your dough should have doubled in size, so just deflate it and cut it into 2 and reshape it to aid with better rolling. Then roll it to a rectangular shape, and this is just garlic butter with your favorite spices. Spread it evenly and then cut the dough into tiny little squares. Layer the squares on top of each other and then transfer it into a prepared loaf tin and just press them down, cover it up for 1.5 hours. By that time, they should have doubled in size. Then brush some egg wash, bake at 180 for 30 minutes. This is how it should look like out of the pan and ready to be served.